So, students, let's continue with our grade 7 social science chapter 1, Two Big States, page 6. Pulkeshi II, 610 to 642 CE. Pulkeshi was a valiant king who won many battles. His first victory was over Lat, South Gujarat, followed by his win over Gurjar, North Gujarat. He gained control over the Vengi region that lay between the rivers Krishna and Godavari and also acquired Andhra Pradesh. He transformed the capital Vatapi into a city of magnificence and splendor. Students, Pulkeshi too was very valiant, very courageous and brave king. He had got victories in many battles. He had won Lat region that is in South Gujarat today and Gurjar region that is in North Gujarat today. He had also won over Vengi region between the Krishna and Godavari rivers. He ruled over Andhra Pradesh too. He had made his capital Vatapi a very charming town. The armies of Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi II fought a great battle near river Narmada, in which the former was defeated. This halted Harsha's expansion towards South India, and so the empire of Kannauj could not extend beyond Narmada. Students, Pulkeshi II had defeated the valiant king of North India, that is Harshvardhan, at the Narmada and had stopped his victorious journey towards South India. Pulkeshi too was not only a great warrior but also a lover of arts. The cave of Vatapi and Dharapuri were built during his reign. The famous cave murals of Ajanta were also painted at that time. So students, Pulkeshi too was a lover of art. During his period, the caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri were constructed. Certain world widely known cave paintings of Ajanta were prepared in those days. In his travels, Han Singh visited the court of Pulkeshi too and has given a vivid account of its grandeur. The kings of the Chalukya dynasty were followers of Hinduism. During this time, Buddhism went into decline while the Digambar Jain sect gained popularity. Han Seng, while traveling across India, had reached the court of Pulkeshi II. He had admired Pulkeshi II's wealth a lot. The kings of Chalukya dynasty followed Hindu religion. The importance of Buddha religion had come down that time. The Digambar sect of Jain religion had started dominating. Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi too were contemporary rulers, means two rulers ruling at two different places at same time. However, Harsh fought fewer battles as compared to Pulkeshi, who continued waging wars. He finally met his end in 642 CE in a conflict with the Pallav king of Kachipuram. King Harshvardhan died 5 years after him. Students, Harshavardhan and Pulkeshi too, both of them were brave warriors. Harshvardhan wound up making wars after a few wars, while Pulkeshi too continued wars. As a result, in 642 AD, Pulkeshi too died while fighting against a king of Pallav dynasty of Kachivaram. Harshvardhan died in 647 AD, that is 5 years after the death of Pulkeshi II. Here we end our chapter 1, Two Big States. Do subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get latest updates. Thank you.